In this video, I'll show you how to install Strapi on Windows step by step. Although I couldn't show you some steps in here due to restrictions, so listen carefully as I explain each step. So first of all, Strapi is a powerful headless CMS that lets you create APIs without much hassle. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this guide will help you get started quickly. So before installing Strapi, you need a Node.js and npm. So make sure you already visited the nodejs.org and then download the latest or long-term support version and then install it, and make sure to check add to path during installation. To verify the installation, you can open the command prompt and type the program checker for the node.js, and then if both commands return a version number, you're good to go. So now, assumingly we've already done that procedure, since I couldn't show you that step due to restrictions, so assumingly, now let's install Strapi. So open your command line or PowerShell and then run. So once you've successfully program a command in CMD, it will automatically download and install the Strapi, and then it will automatically also set up a default SQLite database, and then it automatic start the Strapi admin panel automatically. And if you get an error related to the permissions, try running the command with administrator privileges. So once installed, navigate to your project folder and then start the Strapi development server. And then after a few seconds, Strapi will open in your browser, and here you can create an admin account and start managing your content. So if you want to use PostgreSQL or MySQL or MongoDB instead of SQLite, you'll need to update your .env file with your database details. And that's it. That's how you install Strapi on Windows. I hope this video helped. Now you can start building your APIs and managing content with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.